Okay, we're finally at the beach. It take us like a 5-minute walk from the car to the beach. This is Donna Lake. This is where the beach is at. It's nice, very quiet. There's nobody here. Anybody wants to come here, relax, man, this is a good place right here. Clear their mind, relax. This is a very good place. Yeah. It's all sand. You can sleep here all day. Nobody's here, so nobody's bothering anybody. Very quiet. There's snow up there too.
See how deep? Let me throw the stick in the river. Oh, there's deep. It starts to go down.
You wanna go in there?
No, I don't want to drown to death.
No, just take your socks off and see if you can just walk in and see how the water feels.
Is there fish in here?
It's probably over there somewhere. Nice, relaxing lake.
Nice water.
Very clean water. This is all snow water.
Oh, shoot. Damn, I need the washed already. Really clean. Let me...
Take some video, Chuck. Show it to mommy and auntie.